Are you looking for the top 5 capture every adventure in stunning 4K? GoPro HERO7 Silver. In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at some of the best capture every adventure in stunning 4K. GoPro HERO7 Silver, on the market today. Before we dive in, we've included links in the description for each product mentioned, so be sure to check those out to find the one that fits your style and budget. Number 1. GoPro Hero 12 Black Waterproof Action Camera. High Dynamic Range Video Plus Photo. Hero 12 Black takes its best-in-class image quality to the next level with HDR for both videos, 5.3K and 4K, and photos. Great in environments with both shadows and bright light. HDR captures the subtle details of the scene that might typically blend into the darkness of shadows or disappear in the bright spots of your shot. The result is dynamic footage with true-to-life color and precision. Rugged plus waterproof to 33 feet 10 meters. Completely waterproof and as tough as ever, Hero 12 Black is ready to capture the fun on any adventure. Its legendary durability can take a beating and keep going, whether you're ripping through mud, snow, or water, down to 33 feet /10 m. A water-repelling lens cover even helps eliminate lens flare and other artifacts to make your photos and videos even more stunning. What's included? Hero 12 Black Enduro rechargeable battery, curved adhesive mount, mounting buckle plus thumb screw, USB-C cable. Number 2. GoPro Camera Hero 7 Silver 4K 30 video. Get stunning 4K video that does amazing as the moment itself. You can also shoot time-lapse videos to turn longer events into short, shareable moments. Rugged plus waterproof. Share experiences you can't capture with your phone. Hero 7 Silver is tough, tiny, totally waterproof, and up for any adventure. Intuitive. Touchscreen with a touchscreen and simple, streamlined capture modes. It's easy to jump right in and get great shots. Just swipe and tap. Voice control. Stay in the moment. Control your Hero 7 Silver hands free with voice commands like GoPro, take a photo, and GoPro, start recording. 10MP photos with WDR. Hero 7 Silver takes beautiful, vibrant 10MP photos, even in challenging shots that mix bright light and shadows. And with burst mode, you can get 15 photos in 1 second. Video stabilization audio shaky footage. Hero 7 Silver records smooth, steady video whether you're skiing, snorkeling, or chasing your dog around the yard. Shoot vertically capture photos and videos in portrait orientation. Perfect for Snapchat and Instagram stories. Number 3. GoPro Hero 10 Black Waterproof 5.3K HD Action Camera. Bundle includes GoPro Hero 10 Black SanDisk Extreme 128GB micro SDHC memory card, high-speed memory card reader, suction mount, floating handle grip strap, 360-degree rotation clip, tether straps, wrist strap, monopod, bicycle mount, chest strap, head strap mount, wrist mount, tripod mount adapters, helmet extension arm, helmet strap mount, mini tripod, 2X switch support, 2X surface J-hook buckle, 8X mounts, 5X adhesive pads, 12X anti-fog inserts. More power, more clarity, more stability. New GP2 chip for increased performance, better battery life. Waterproof 33 feet, more resolution. Shoot stunning 5.3K video that maintains serious detail, even when zooming in and capturing 15.8 MP frame grabs. Also records in 5.3K/60 frames per second, 4K/120 frames per second, 2.7K/240 frames per second, 1080p/240 frames per second. More pixels. Capture crisp, Pro 23MP photos. Better screens. A front display serves up a live preview, while the large rear touchscreen delivers intuitive control. Key specifications. Number 4. GoPro Hero 12 Black 5.3K Action Camera. Bundle includes GoPro Hero 12 Black SanDisk Extreme 128GB micro SDXC card, high-speed USB card reader, chest mount, head strap mount, wrist mount, suction mount, floating handle grip strap, 360-degree rotation clip, tether straps, wrist strap, monopod, bicycle mount, tripod mount adapters, helmet extension arm, helmet strap mount, mini tripod, 2X switch support, 2X surface J-hook buckle, 8X mounts, 5X adhesive pads, 12x anti-fog inserts, high-quality HDR images, enabled HDR for both video, 5.3K and 4K, and photo modes to render more detail in your shadows and highlights. The GoPro Hero 12 Black captures up to 5.3K 60 video or up to 27MP RAW photos with crisp details and cinematic image quality. You can even grab 24.7MP frames from your videos using the Quick app. Record 2.7K video at a 240 frame rate for playback at 8x slow motion. Dual LCD screens. The GoPro Hero 12 Black features dual LCD screens, making it incredibly versatile for any shooting scenario. Number 5. GoPro Hero13 Black Waterproof Action Camera. Bundle includes GoPro Hero13 Black SanDisk Extreme 128GB micro SDXC card, high-speed USB card reader, chest mount, head strap mount, wrist mount, suction mount, floating handle grip, strap, 360-degree rotation clip, tether straps, wrist strap, monopod, bicycle mount, tripod mount adapters, helmet extension arm, helmet strap mount, mini tripod, 2x switch support, 2x surface J-hook buckle, 8x mounts, 5x adhesive pads, 12x anti-fog inserts, HB series lens compatibility. Purchase separately available HB series lenses to specialize your footage for a variety of creative shots. The ultra-wide lens mod provides a POV lens for action-packed scenes and landscapes. The macro lens mod captures close-ups with incredible detail. Use the neutral density filters to add motion blur to your footage without compromising exposure. The anamorphic lens mod helps you achieve pro-level cinematics. Once attached, the Hero 13 Black automatically detects the lens or filter and adjusts its settings accordingly.